We need to talk about something that happens far too often in families. I've just witnessed an incident in the park some time back. Adults tease children in the name of fun and then they shame children when the child finally says enough. For example, an auntie kept touching a child's cheek, hair, body again and again because she thought it was cute. The child initially tolerated it and then finally said, "Please हाथ मत लगाओ." And what did the adult say? कितने बदतमीज हो गए हो, आंटी से ऐसे बोलते हैं. But wait, the child just expressed a boundary. They did not abuse you, they did not insult you, they simply said, "Please do not touch me." Why are we teaching children that respecting adults means giving up their right to say no? And here's another one. A child is struggling with something. It could be anything, say studies, sports, drawing, even something as simple as opening a bottle. And an adult, casually, jokingly says, "तुझसे नहीं होगा." Everyone laughs. Now the child gets irritated and says, "तो आप कर लो." And suddenly, देखो कितना जवाब देता है, बदतमीज हो गया है. But what just happened here? An adult challenged the child's dignity and the child defended himself. And we labeled the defense as disrespect. Now, I'm not saying children should not be respectful. Children absolutely need to learn respect. But respect cannot mean that I am older to you and therefore I can do whatever I want and you have to quietly tolerate it. That's not respect, that's power. If we want our children to respect boundaries, we have to respect theirs. If we want them to speak politely, we have to speak to them politely. And if we want them to regulate their emotions, we need to teach them how emotions can be regulated. We cannot repeatedly provoke them and then shame them for reacting because sometimes the child is not being rude. The child is finally finding the courage to say, "Please stop." And honestly, I would much rather have a child who can confidently say, "I do not like this. Please do not do it," rather than an adult who has grown up believing that they have to tolerate uncomfortable behavior simply because the other person is older to them. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below.